The Cholistan Desert, also known as the Rocky Desert, is located in the Bahawalpur district of Punjab province of Pakistan. The desert is home to the Cholistani people, who are known for their traditional nomadic lifestyle and their rich cultural heritage. Famous sites in the Cholistan Desert include the Derawa Fort, which is a large square fortress built in the 9th century and is known for its impressive walls and architecture. The fort is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Cholistan also has many historical forts, such as the Marot Fort, which was built by the Bhitti Rajputs in the 16th century. Additionally, the Cholistan Desert is known for its annual Desert Festival, which features traditional music, dance, and camel races. The PTDCG Prali Festival on the sand track at Derawa Fort is a celebration of the Cholistani culture and attracts tourists from all over the world. Picturized and edited by Muhammad Amir.